ஹலோ, நான் ஷீலா பிரசாத். இந்த வருஷம் 2020ல குளோபல் டிஜிட்டல் செலிப்ரேஷன் டைம்ல ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಮೈಂಗಾರ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ எல்லாருக்கும் நமஸ்காரம். நம்முடைய அத்தியாபகர் ஃபேமிலியில் ருக்மிணி பேரில் ஒரு பாட்டி இருந்தார். அவர் 1905 இன்னும் 1993 வரலும் இருந்தார். இந்த வர்ச்சுவல் மேலா டைமில் வாங்கோ அவருடைய யுனிக் ஆர்ட் கிரியேஷன்ஸை உலகம் சுற்றிலும் பார்க்கலாம்.
Hi, I'm Nikhil Adhyapak. Today I'm going to speak about my great grandmother Rukmini. She's there in this photo. Her youngest son was my tata, my grandfather Rajgopal. She lived in this house from 1973 to 1993. So the one unique thing about her was she was really good in crochet. I'm going to show some of her unique crochet work. This is a purse used for keys. We still use it till date. This is another purse. This is just a table mat. And some of the bags she has done, which we have preserved over the generations. This is a bag which has a deer, and this is a curtain which she has done. There's a swan and there's a lotus. So as you can see, she's really skilled at crochet.
Hello, I am Sudarshan. Here is a picture of our great grandmother Rukmini along with her whole family. Thank you Kanna Chittaya for saving this picture. Kolpati Rukmini married into the Madhyam Adhyapakar family and had 7 children in the heart of Malleshwaram, Bengaluru. One of the children being our Tata M.A. Sundararajan. Now, here is my sister Deetya.
Hi everyone, Deetya here. We have collected the various artworks of our Kolpati Rukmini. Here are some of them. We can see here that she has made bags of various shapes, sizes and colors that can be used for different purposes. This here is a bag that can be used to carry small items during travel. This is a bigger version of the bag that can be used to carry vegetables from grocery markets. Notice the various kinds of colors and shades used while making this bag. This is a bag that can be used as a sling bag for children to carry their notebooks and textbooks. This is a unique kind of a bag which is in the shape of a pentagon and also has a metal handle for better grip. These are telephone covers that were made by a Kolpati, which can be used nowadays as a table cover. Notice the beautiful pattern in the shape of a hexagon that was made by a party. This is another telephone cover that was made by a party. And notice the different shades of red and green that was used to bring the natural effect of a rose. There are others who have also collected the works of our Kolpati. They are Vijaya Adapati, Yadagiri Atte, Sudha Atte, Padmini Atte, and Sri Lakshmi Atte. We have also included their names in the collection. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Mridula. I'm a great-granddaughter of Rukmini Kolpati. Our Koltata M.A. Rangaswamy was a teacher, hence the family name Adhyapak. He taught high school biology and sports. Wherever Kolpati went, she would bring along her crochet threads and hooks and work on one of her many masterpiece creations. Here is my sister Harini.
Hello, I am Harini. We have often heard how our Kolpati Rukmini would give away her beautiful crochet art to aunts and uncles, nieces and nephews, and their extended families. Those who received these art pieces would then carry them off to their homes from southern India to northern India and from India to many other parts of the world. Our sincere thanks to our relatives who have contributed to this collection.
Hello, my name is Preeti. I never got the opportunity to meet my Kolpati, but I have heard the story about her from my mother. When my mother and her older sister Gadu were school-going girls in Jainagar, they had the job of being my Kolpati's apprentices. My Kolpati would ask them to go to the nearby Hanuman store and buy samples of thread for her. With these samples of thread, she would make a crochet piece and then ask them to wash it with soap. If the crochet piece did not leak color, she would ask them to buy a bigger batch of the same thread. But if it did leak color, she would ask them to return the remaining thread. My mother still remembers the numerous trips she took to the store with her sister. Now I am handing off to my sister Deepthi.
Hello, I'm Deepthi. Rukmini Kolpati was my great-grandmother too. With the new age of technology, we were able to reach out to everyone in our extended family who have saved Kolpati's crochet art everywhere in the world. Even though some of her art pieces may be lost or destroyed, we were still able to put together quite a large virtual collection. This has helped us to appreciate her work and learn from her perseverance and benevolence.
रामं भजे श्यामं मनसा रामं भजे श्यामं वचसा 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 सर्ववेदसारभूतं सर्वभूतहेतुनादं सर्ववेदसारभूतं सर्वभूतहेतुनादं सर्ववेदसारभूतं सर्वभूतहेतुनादं रामं भजे श्यामं मनसा रामं भजे श्यामं वजसा विभीषण आञ्जनेय पूजित शरणं विशिष्टादिमुनिगण वेदित हृदयं विभीषण आञ्जनेय पूजित शरणं विशिष्टादिमुनिगण वेदित हृदयं यं विशीकृतमाया कामितयेशं एकं पुरेशं सर्वेशं वशीकृतमाया कामितयेशं एकं पुरेशं सर्वेशं रामं भजे श्यामं मनसा रामं भजे श्यामं वजसा रामं भजे श्यामं मनसा रामं भजे श्यामं वजसा नीलमेघश्यामलं नित्यधर्मसारिणं नीलमेघश्यामलं नित्यधर्मसारिणं नीलमेघश्यामलं नित्यधर्मसारिणं शारिणं दण्डिनं कुदण्डिनं दण्डिनं कुदण्डिनं तुराचारकण्डनं तुराचारकण्डनं जन्ममृत्युजराव्याधि दुःखदोषपवहरं जन्ममृत्युजराव्याधि दुःखदोषपवहरं जन्ममृत्युजराव्याधि दुःखदोषपवहरं रामं भजे श्यामं मनसा रामं भजे श्यामं वजसा रामं भजे श्यामं मनसा मम मनसा रामं भजे श्यामं वजसा श्यामं वजसा श्यामं वजसा.
Hi, I'm Sucheta. I will show you today the ceramic work and this little vegetables what I have made, how to make them. I'll show you. So we need ceramic powder dough which I have already mixed. So I will show you how to make the vegetables. Just make a small ball for brinjal, then you can make capsicum like that, corn. Just oblong it, and then with the knife you can give the lines. And this way. And you can add this. Let's take a small portion. Again roll it longer. And put the lines. And put it on this with Fevicol, both the sides. It will look like this. you can make the chilies. Just make it longer and twist it at the end little bit like this, and then on top you can give a stem like this, okay? Cup like thing. Put Fevicol and put the cap here. It will look like this. And then I have made like this mushrooms, long brinjals, then this tondekai. Now you can start coloring. You just apply it in the center. That red color for chilies. And violet color for brinjal. Stem you can color it into green. Like this. You can color all the mushroom, tondekai, brinjal, and then you can make the leaves like this with the same dough, bigger ones, and then you can color them and take a small cane basket. I have added little bit of coconut shavings. Coconut coir in this, and then you can start arranging everything after coloring. All these things, stick with Fevicol or Bond, and then you will get like this, your baskets are ready. Thank you for watching.